Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Mitsubishi Outlander's Bluetooth. First, make sure your vehicle is parked safely. Then, grab your phone and turn on its Bluetooth, ensuring it's discoverable. Next, navigate to your Outlander's audio system. Look for the settings menu on the display. This is where we'll initiate the connection process, guiding you through each step to get your device paired quickly and easily. Once you're in the Bluetooth settings, you'll see an option to add device or pair device. Select this to proceed. Your Outlander system will then begin scanning for nearby Bluetooth-enabled phones. A list of available devices will appear on your vehicle's display. Simply locate and select your phone's name from this list to continue the pairing sequence, bringing you closer to a hands-free experience. After selecting your phone, you'll likely see a pairing request appear on both your phone and the Outlander's screen. Confirm this request on both devices. Sometimes, the vehicle system will provide a PIN that you need to enter on your phone to finalize the connection. Once these steps are completed, your Outlander's display will confirm that your device has been successfully paired, ready for use. With your phone successfully connected, you can now enjoy the full benefits of your Outlander's Bluetooth system. You're able to make and receive hands-free calls, keeping your focus on the road. Additionally, you can stream your favorite music or podcasts directly from your phone to the vehicle's speakers. Remember, you can always manage or disconnect devices through the Bluetooth settings menu whenever needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.